Vande Bharat Express train. Vande Bharat Express train, also known as Train 18, is the world's first semi-high speed passenger train on high-rise overhead electric territory. It's India's first indigenously designed and manufactured semi-high speed and self-propelled train set. The Vande Bharat Express train was inaugurated by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi in 2019. Vande Bharat Express has been designed to consume 30% less energy than Shatabdi Express train. The train has a top speed of 180 km per hour, while the operational speed is 130 km per hour. The Vande Bharat train is powered by a self-propulsion module, which means it does not require a locomotive to pull it. Thank you. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel.